45 nanometers CMOS 4-bit flash analog to digital converter. This project aims to design and implement a high-speed, low-power 4-bit flash analog to digital converter (ADC) using 45 nanometers CMOS technology. The ADC is crucial for converting analog signals into digital form, enabling further processing in digital systems. By leveraging advanced CMOS technology, this project seeks to enhance conversion speed and reduce power consumption, making it suitable for applications requiring fast and efficient signal processing. A reliable low standby power 10T SRAM cell with expanded static noise margins. This project addresses the challenge of reducing standby power consumption and improving static noise margins in 10T SRAM cells, crucial for advanced microelectronic applications. Traditional 10T SRAMs suffer from high leakage currents during standby mode, leading to increased power consumption. Additionally, they exhibit narrow static noise margins, making them susceptible to soft errors. This project proposes a novel 10T SRAM architecture that significantly reduces standby power and enhances static noise margins through innovative circuit design techniques. The methodology involves detailed simulation and verification processes to ensure reliability and performance. An energy-efficient high-performance CMOS transmission gate full adder circuit. This abstract includes an overview of the project, highlighting the keywords, existing methods, and their drawbacks. It explains the proposed method in detail, including a step-by-step implementation block diagram. The advantages and applications of the proposed method are discussed, along with the software and hardware requirements. Learning outcomes related to VLSI are also mentioned, emphasizing the practical knowledge and skills gained through this project. Analysis of low delay in 64-bit Vedic multiplier-based MAC unit. Create a new project by selecting New Project. Follow the wizard to name your project and specify the project location. Add the Verilog HDL files for the 64-bit Vedic multiplier. Ensure the files are correctly included in the project. Click on Synthesis in the Flow Navigator. Check for any errors and ensure the design is synthesized successfully. Click on Implementation in the Flow Navigator. Follow through with the implementation process, ensuring there are no errors, or open the simulation. Tap and run the behavioral simulation to verify the functionality. Observe the waveform and ensure the 64-bit Vedic multiplier are functioning as expected. Once the design is verified, generate the bitstream file for FPGA programming. Low power design of SPI and I2C protocol in Verilog HDL. Create a new project by selecting New Project folder. Follow the wizard to name your project and specify the project location. Add the Verilog HDL files for the SPI and I2C modules. Ensure the files are correctly included in the project. Click on Synthesis in the Flow Navigator. Check for any errors and ensure the design is synthesized successfully. Click on Implementation in the Flow Navigator. Follow through with the implementation process, ensuring there are no errors. Open the simulation. Tap and run the behavioral simulation to verify the functionality. Observe the waveform and ensure the SPI and I2C protocols are functioning as expected. Once the design is verified, generate the bitstream file for FPGA programming. Effective hardware accelerator for 2D DCT and IDCT using improved low-flare architecture. convert an input image into a suitable format for DCT processing, prepare the image data as input for Vivado, create a new project in Vivado and design the hardware accelerator using Verilog, implement the optimized low-FLIR architecture for 2D DCT and IDCT computations, integrate MATLAB and Vivado environments for seamless data flow between software preprocessing and hardware acceleration. Perform simulation and hardware testing to verify the correctness and efficiency of the design accelerator. FPGA implementation of dynamic power, area-optimized reversible ALU for various DSP applications. Create a new project by selecting File, New Project. Follow the wizard to name your project and specify the project location. Add the Verilog HDL files for the reversible ALU. Ensure the files are correctly included in the project. Click on Synthesis in the Flow Navigator. Check for any errors and ensure the design is synthesized successfully. Click on Implementation in the Flow Navigator. Follow through with the implementation process. Ensuring there are no errors, open the Simulation tab and run the behavioral simulation to verify the functionality, observe the waveform and ensure the 64-bit Vedic multiplier are functioning as expected. Or once the design is verified, generate the bitstream file for FPGA programming. Low power redundant transition free TSPC dual edge triggering flip-flop using single transistor clocked buffer. In the modern graphics processing unit and artificial intelligence era, flip-flop has become one of the most power-hungry blocks in processors. To address this issue, a novel single-phase clock dual edge triggering FF using a single transistor clocked buffer is proposed. The STCB uses a single clock transistor in the data sampling path, which completely removes clock redundant transitions and internal RTs that exist in other dead designs. Verified by post-layout simulations in 22 nanometers fully depleted silicon on insulator CMOS, when operating at switching activity, the proposed STC-DIT outperforms prior state-of-the-art low-power DET in power consumption. It also achieves the lowest power delay product, PDP, among the DETs. Optimization of Wi-Fi communication system using low-power ring oscillator delay cell. This project aims to enhance the efficiency and performance of Wi-Fi communication systems by integrating a low-power ring oscillator delay cell. Traditional Wi-Fi systems often suffer from high power consumption and limited scalability due to inefficient timing mechanisms. By employing a custom-designed ring oscillator, this proposal seeks to reduce energy usage while maintaining or improving system performance. The integration of this oscillator within the Wi-Fi communication system promises significant benefits for IoT devices and wireless networks, emphasizing practical VLSI design skills and energy conservation. VLSI implementation of error detection and correction codes for space engineering. This project explores the VLSI implementation of error detection and correction codes tailored for space engineering applications. Keywords include VLSI, EDAC, Verilog HDL, FPGA design, and data integrity. The project emphasizes the use of diagonal, parity, and check bits to encode and decode data, ensuring robust error correction capabilities crucial for space missions. Software requirements include Xilinx Vivado for FPGA synthesis and simulation, while hardware prerequisites involve FPGA development boards suitable for aerospace deployments. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 3433.